Welcome to the most iconic of all Mercedes-Benz consultation tools, the G-Class Retail Kit. This functional kit is perfect for presenting the almost limitless possibilities for configuring the G-Class. Available in selected colors, the kit features a sleek and compact appearance, inspired by the iconic spare wheel holder. To combine practicality and elegance, it is equipped with a convenient telescopic handle and smooth wheels. The kit features all exterior paints currently offered for the G-Class, including exclusive manufacture finishes. The exclusively designed genuine leather book presents samples of every available seat design and leather color, accompanied by matching equipment codes for precise customization and convenient configuration. We also included original trim elements, allowing customers to envision their selected configuration better. Inside the kit, there is a carefully designed brochure with all the necessary information, such as sales terms to match equipment codes on paint and leather samples. As innovation continues to progress, the retail kit will too, with easy updates to keep you informed and ahead of the curve.
The Mercedes-Benz G-Class is more than just an off-road vehicle. It's a statement of luxury, design and individuality. With the new G-Class Retail Kit, you can bring this experience to life in a way that is both tangible and unforgettable. Your customers will not only see the paints and materials, but will also be able to feel and experience them. From the real texture of genuine leather, the depth of real paint samples, to the fine details of trim elements. This hands-on experience will allow your customers to imagine what their personal configuration will look like. To ensure that your G-Class Retail Kit stays as up-to-date as the G-Class itself, we provide regular update packages based on the components of the model years. Each update package comes with everything you need, along with a step-by-step tutorial so you can easily replace older samples and keep your kit aligned to the latest customization options. In the handcrafted G-Class Retail Kit, you have a powerful tool showcasing the craftsmanship and exclusivity of this iconic vehicle. The Retail Kit and also the available update packages can be ordered via Isaria. Let your customers enjoy the full sensory experience of the G-Class, because true luxury is meant to be felt.
Yeah.